Okay, we're going to start in closed position, men facing the wall. There's a 2-measure weight and a broken box. This is a 2-step. Broken box. Side draw close, face to face, back to back. Basketball turn to open. Pitch 6 to semi. 2 forward, 2 steps. Lace across and a 2-step. Lace back. 2-step to close position, traveling box. Open vine 4 to butterfly, face to face. Back to back. Basketball turn to open. Pitch 6 to semi. 2 forward, 2 steps. Full lace up. And in closed position, traveling box. Open vine 4 to butterfly. Traveling door twice. Circle away 2 2-steps. Strut together 4 to semi and hold. Lace across and a 2-step. Lace back and a 2-step to close. Traveling box. Twirl 2, walk and pick up. 2 forward, 2 steps. Double progressive scissors to banjo. Pitch forward 3. Pitch scissors semi. Scoop 4. Walk and face. Left turning box. Face to face. Back to back. Basketball turn to open. Pitch 6 to semi. 2 forward 2s. Full lace up. To close position, traveling box. Twirl 2, walk and pick up. 2 forward 2s. Progressive scissors to banjo. Pitch forward 3. Pitch scissors to semi, scoop 4. Walk 2. Pitch 6. Strut 4. Pitch 6. Strut 4 to butterfly. Side draw close and a hard point.
Just like you thought it.
This is Beautiful Noise. It's a rumba. It has a figure 8 in it. When you do a figure 8, you circle away and together, pass right shoulders and circle away and together, going the opposite direction, making a figure 8 on the floor, and we will end with men facing center. It's a figure 8. We'll start in butterfly, men facing the wall, 2-measure weight, and a basic into a chase. Basic, chase, time step twice, fence slide, crab walks, New Yorker, crab walks to reverse, New Yorker, spot turn, hand to hand twice, Alamana to a lariat, break back to open, progressive walk 3, figure 8, fence line twice, half basic and whip, time step twice, New Yorker to open, progressive walk 3, Circle away and together to a Tamara. Wheel 3 and unwrap to butterfly. Sidewalk 6. Open brace. New Yorker. Shoulder to shoulder twice. One hand to open. Progressive walk 3. Sliding door twice. Figure 8. Fence line twice. Half basic and whip. Tied step twice. Fence line. Crab walks. New Yorker. Crab walks to reverse. New Yorker. Spot turn. Hand to hand twice. Alamano to Lavaria. Break back to open. Progressive walk 3. Figure 8. Fence line twice. Half basic and whip. Time step twice. New Yorker to open. Progressive walk 3. Circle away and together to a Tamara. Wheel 3 and unwrap to butterfly. Slow down. Side draw close. Forward basic to a wrap and hold.